Hello everyone. I'm making chicken garlic and lemon today. So I got this whole chicken and I'm going to cut it and take the skin off. So what I usually do is cut it like this in half, then take each half and cut the leg. And of course you can buy this already cut and skinless. Well, maybe I should take the skin out before, so I like to take the skin out and then cut it in half so I can have smaller size pieces of the chicken. So there we go. Cut this. And sometimes I take some of the fat if I see some of the fat out. Some people like it, but this is what I do. So here I take the skin off the other half of the chicken. And cut it in half because the breast is too big. And I can either keep the wing or just cut the end part of it. And I'm gonna do the other half and I'll come back to you with the rest. All right, back to the garlic. Chicken is ready. So I just need to get the garlic ready. I usually use a lot of garlic for this recipe. So I'm going to have 2 heads of garlic ready. And then I mix it with lemon juice and canola oil. You can add a little bit of olive oil as well. And then mix it with the salt and pepper and have it ready. So I'm gonna peel the garlic and come back to you. All right, so I peeled the 2 heads of garlic. I'm going to smash them with salt. So there's some salt. Smash the garlic like so. Add a little bit more salt. That way you don't have to add much salt to the chicken. You add it all here. And now I'm gonna put it in the bowl that I'm gonna mix chicken with. So there's the garlic right there. And then I have about 1/3 of cup of lemon juice. You can add more lemon juice. And then I'm gonna add the canola oil. You could do about a cup of canola oil. And then I will mix it together and mix it with the chicken. All right, so I have the garlic smashed with a lot of salt, lemon juice, canola oil. I'm gonna add a little bit of white pepper. You can add regular black pepper. And then I add the chicken to it and mix it all good. So there's the chicken right there. all the chicken mixed really well. And now I'm gonna pour all of that in the pan I'm gonna bake in. There we go. There we go. And this chicken needs to go in the oven at 350 degrees for about an hour, and it'll be great for dinner with rice and vegetables on the side. I will show you the final product in a bit. There's the chicken, garlic, lemon after it baked, and صحتين وعافية.